How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. In tonight's video, I'm going to give you my top 4 best Milwaukee M12 tools that if I had to start out all over again as a mechanic, these would be the 4 tools I would buy first. What are they? Let's find out. Here we go. Number 4. I would buy the Milwaukee Underhood light. You know, I've worked at quite a few shops in my time, and a lot of them lighting is less than desirable. In fact, what lights they do have are usually blocked by the hood once you open it up. So if you want to do your job well and see the problems and be good at what you do, you got to be able to see what you're doing. In fact, this light will expand and go around the hood of a full-size van. Let me show you. As you can see, I got this full-size Nissan van, and it stretches clear across the hood. The light's quite adjustable. You can slide the whole mount back and forth, as well as you can turn the light to wherever you need it. You can take this engine compartment off and on, and different modes. Makes a world of difference. And you get a decent battery on there. It'll last long as the job takes to get done. Number 3, I'd pick up the Milwaukee M12 1/4-inch impact driver. In fact, this is one of the first tools I bought from Milwaukee. This is the old brushed version, and as you can see, it's been around the block. It's quite a versatile tool. You get your screwdriver bits, take that off. You can pick up some socket adapters and 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch would be pushing it a little bit, or even some nut drivers. And what I like about these is you get the smaller battery, fits right in with the handle, nice and light, maneuverable, and it's got quite some punch. If you're driving screws, small nuts and bolts, this might be all you need. And you know it's a durable tool because this is the non-brushed version, and as you can see, it's been around the block. So this would be number 3. I would definitely buy it. And number 2, I would pick up the Milwaukee 3/8 stubby M12 impact wrench. You know, it's nice, as it says, it's stubby, it's very light, you can get in a lot of tight spots, and it's got more than enough torque to get the job done. In fact, this one's rated at 250 pounds of nut busting torque to break those stubborn fasteners loose. In fact, I've done a video on this where I take lug nuts off F-150, which are torqued to 150 foot-pounds, and did it effortlessly. And just like with the impact driver, if you need a lot of torque or you're using it hard and heavy, you can have a bigger amp hour battery, or if you're going in tight spots, grab one of the smaller M12 batteries, and you can get in just about anywhere with it. And finally, my number 1 best Milwaukee M12 cordless tool is, drumroll, the regular 3/8 regular speed short cordless ratchet. This was the first Milwaukee cordless tool I bought, and as you can see, it's got some severe wear on it. Changed the anvil in it a couple times just through wear and tear, but what I like about this is just the size. I find a lot of the extended reach ratchets, they're almost too long, and in fact I've got quite a few of the extended reach, high speed, stuff like that, and when I'm doing my regular everyday jobs, I always seem to go with this. And like I said in the earlier tools, get a nice smaller battery in it, get in a lot of tight spots, and it performs all day, every day. You know, it's not, doesn't have the most torque, it's not the fastest, but out of all the tools I have, I always seem to reach for this. So just to recap, my top 4 best Milwaukee M12 cordless tools. Number 4 was the Underhood light. Number 3 was a 1/4 inch impact driver. Number 2 was a 3/8 stubby fuel impact wrench. And number 1 was a tried and true, just the regular old 3/8 cordless ratchet. What do you think of my top 4? Do you agree? Disagree? Let me know in the comments section. And also, I'm curious, what would be your top 4 Milwaukee M12 tools that you would have to buy right away if you started all over again? Well, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.